Hello and welcome to my garden. It is February and the days are getting longer, which means that a new gardening season will soon arrive. I'm in the back of my garden to enjoy the hellebores. This is Hellebore orientalis white ball, a beautiful double white variety. As soon as it warms up, the bees will arrive and they will absolutely adore them. And so do I. They give me so much pleasure and a reason to go out into the garden. The spring bulbs that I planted last October start to appear. These are the Spanish hyacinths. This is a white daffodil called Thalia. And I think this is an allium. This is Hellebore orientalis. It has these beautiful double pinkish purple flowers. Hellebore orientalis come in many colors and varieties. This is a variety called Barrococo. It has these double flowers with ruffled petals. Hellebore orientalis Cinderella is a beautiful double white variety with pink spots. This is Hellebore orientalis Diana. It has gorgeous double pinkish purple flowers. I've treated myself with these beautiful spring bulbs. I'm going to plant them into these pots, and I still have some moss left from Christmas that I'm going to put on top of it to cover up the plastic pots. So I'm going to start with this one. It is a daffodil called Bridal Crown, and it has this wonderful fragrance. So I'm going to put a little bit of moss on top of it. So I think that looks really nice. So now I'm going to plant this one. This is a muscari. It is a white one. Usually they are blue, but I prefer to have all white plants on my side table, so I've chosen this white variety. And I'm going to take it out of the pot and just pop it in there. Fits nicely. So this one is finished as well. Now I'm going to take this bigger pot for the hyacinths. Also a white variety called white pearl. The pot is a little bit too big, so I'm going to add some compost. And again, I'm going to cover it with some moss. This one is finished as well. So over here I have another muscari, also a white one. Going to take it out of the pot as well. And again cover it with moss. And this one is finished as well. So for the last one I have this scilla. It's called Siberian White. I've never grown this one before, so yeah, looking forward to seeing what it looks like. And I'm going to put it into this old pot. And then pop it in like this. And again cover with moss. And this is the last one. I think it looks absolutely fabulous. It really gives that instant spring feeling, and it will look even better when they start flowering. I'm absolutely over the moon with the result. This little table packed full with spring flowers is such a joy to look at, and it smells fantastic too. Behind my spring table is my bird feeding station. Every morning I find the birds feasting on the pine cones and peanuts. Even the blackbird manages to sit on the cones. One morning the western jackdaws took all the peanuts, so it is time to replace it.